Hey guys, it's Jan. Here's a very simple overview on how I use Framer to build websites.
First thing is you're going to go to framer.com and you're going to make an account. Once you make an account, you're going to see your dashboard. Your dashboard's going to be blank. You're going to hit a new project, okay? So this is starting from scratch. I want to show you the process on how you can be confident in making your own layouts, editing those layouts, and then publishing that page. You're going to see a blank canvas and you're going to see the name desktop on the frame. First things first, I always recommend, and I think a lot of other people recommend as well, just to save you the hassle, honestly, is by adding the breakpoints immediately. So that's your tablet and your phone sizes. So from the desktop, you're going to see on this top bar, this plus icon. Hit the plus icon, go tablet. All right, and then you repeat the same thing one more time. You go to phone, okay? So what you're going to see now, you have 3 different canvas sizes. Here's something you can do. You go to insert on the top left, go to navigation, you're going to drop a navigation bar. Every website needs a navigation bar. That's where we'll start. So go, drag, drop it in, and check it out. See, the tablet gets one and even the phone gets one. But you'll notice that the phone's navigation is slightly different. It's responsive. So that's why we recommend always putting the different breakpoints ahead of time and then dropping in your sections later on. So let me show you what else you can do. You also have different sections under insert sections. Try dropping in anything you like. We can go with this one, for example. Cool. All right. Drop in a few more. See what happens. I'm gonna go for this one. That's cool. I'm gonna insert another one in sections. I like this 2 column. Oops. So to zoom in and zoom out, hold Control and scroll up and down. Okay? If you're using a trackpad, you can just zoom in and zoom out normally. To move around in the canvas, hold spacebar and just drag around. Okay, so dragging and then Control, zoom, drag, Control, zoom. There you go. Now you know how to move around. Let's see what else. I'm gonna just drop in a few more. This one is nice. Maybe I can remove this one. And maybe one more. This one in between. Cool. So now, check that out. You have a desktop, tablet, and phone layout. And they are ready for you to edit. So things you can do, edit the headings. Double click. Building websites the easiest way possible. But I do have some photos I would like to use, so let's go back. You see these gray boxes? Just click them, and in the fill section down here is where you change the images. Choose image, and I have a folder here. Let's go with this one. I'm just going to drop a few images first and see how things come together. Okay, so that's how you change some images. Let's say you want to change the arrangement of the layout, okay? So click some of these sections and you're going to see these handles. This is where you can just move them up and down. You see, they'll snap. And now that I think about it, I like this one more as a heading. So I'm going to change this one. You can either edit over here, you can double click and change it yourself here manually, or another option is if you're highlighting a text box, you can see the content over here. It's the same thing. Patio works. Cool. Bespoke. Natural. Sustainable. And there you go. Let's preview this and let's see. Let's see, and over here you can check to see the mobile version. As you can see, phone, tablet, or desktop versions. And we did this all but like 10 minutes, guys. Alright? So if you want to publish and actually see this live, hit publish. It'll give you a URL, click that URL, and in your browser, open it up, and there you go. That is essentially a website that is live on the internet. So that is the easiest way to make your own layout. You know, you're not just working from templates, you're actually making your own layouts and then editing them. So that's the process in a nutshell.